Welcome to day 2 of my Vlogmas. And since malapit nang magpasko, malapit na rin mag New Year 2023, it's a great time to declutter. Before we proceed, maglaba muna tayo ng konti. So ito ang gamit ko, Champion, at itong 2499 sa Pure Gold. It's a bright and sunny day today, kaya nakakagana talagang maglaba. Wow, yan. Tapos na akong maglaba. Our church started an online care share where you can give yung mga pre-loved items mo na gusto mo nang ipamigay sa mga ka-churchmates. And it has started, it's an FB group, and I want to support it. I'm a volunteer. So today, in the second day of my Vlogmas, hahanap ako ng mga bagay na pwede namin i-share. Meron kaming mga bag at ilang mga damit ko. Medyo kailangan ko ng more time para pumili. So just for this vlog, I chose these 5. But I wanna show you ito. Ito hindi ko nasuot ni minsan. Ang ganda kasi nga, binili ko sa Taytay. And I like the color. Pero, nung sinuot ko, meron talaga siyang pinapagagan. So, since these are all going to go to our churchmates or their loved ones, so it will be a joy to give it away. This one is from my sister-in-law. She was going to give it away, but then sabi ko, sa akin na lang. Kasi pa to sa akin actually. So, should I include this or should I keep it? So, instead of waiting for the time na magkasya sila ulit, why not, diba, na mas marami pang makagamit. Since I'll be posting this on our FB group, I'm taking pictures. I use Photoroom to edit the photos. Okay, you just click start from photo and then choose the photo that you will edit. Ayan, this is a great tool or app to remove the background. Ito naman yung mga bag. Ilagay ko muna lahat ito sa box. Ayan. This is just an ordinary carton box. Pero binalutan ko siya para kapag nilagay ko lang dito sa room ay hindi siya eyesore. And now ine-edit ko yung mga pictures. Let me show you again how I do it. Ayan, pinili ko ito. At tanggalin niya yung background. And you can choose which background you want. Ito, tingnan ko to. Pero parang hindi ko siya type. So, if you don't want that, you can always go back and scroll lang to find your preferred background. So, parang gusto ko yung peach. Yan. And you can resize. Yan, click mo lang yung picture and then drag. And then enlight para medyo maging bright. And save. Click mo to. And save to photo gallery. Ngayon, ipopost ko na sa FB group. Pinost ko na rin yung mga bags. Ayan. Thank you for watching this video. That's it for my Vlogmas Day 2. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. See you tomorrow!